If you are a business leader, operations manager, engineer, or someone responsible for managing valuable assets, this book caught my attention. And this is The Physics of Capital by Sir J. Crowley. And what I found interesting is that this book looks at operations from a different perspective. And instead of focusing on one specific piece of equipment or technology, it focuses on how businesses can make better decisions about their assets, operational costs, long-term capital efficiency. And the book introduces an operations research framework that connects physical asset management, total cost of ownership, risk management, and operational decision making. And although the concepts are designed with executives, engineers, and asset managers in mind, the book is written in a clear and structured way. And it comes in a hardcover edition with clean white pages, and there are formulas, frameworks, and practical concepts throughout. And if you're interested in operations, asset management, engineering, or improving the way a business thinks about capital, The Physics of Capital is definitely a book to take a look at. And you can find it here on Amazon.